How to limit past posts on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to limit past posts on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and now click settings and then go down again and click this one, posts, and click on this one, limit vacancy past posts, and click this here and limit past posts. And now limit past posts has been limited, and that's it. That's how to limit past posts on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.